Hello and welcome back. Let us look into some other examples of integration, and this is the fourth video on integration. The link of rest 3 you will get in the description box. So let us start. We will start from very simple example which is done by the substitution. So here it is, that is you have to integrate e to the power x cos e to the power x dx. This is a simple integral which you have to do by substitution. You have to substitute this e to the power x is equals to t. Then differentiate it. It will be e to the power x dx is equals to dt. Now this cos e to the power x will be t, and this e to the power x dx is equals to dt. Now do simple integration, that is integration of cos t is sin t. So sin t plus c, this is the constant, and you have to change this variable back into the original variable, that is x. So this t is equals to e to the power x. So sin e to the power x plus c is the final answer. Now let us see another example, that is integration dx under root 16 plus x square. Before starting this, let us see a table which will help you to solve the similar integrals like this. So first of all, if you have the expression like a square minus x square, or x square plus a square, or x square minus a square, so what you have to do is you have to substitute. In the first case, you have to substitute x is equals to as a sine theta. This will make your integration very simple, and in the second case you have to put x is equals to a tan theta, and in the third case you have to put x is equals to a secant theta. I am making a third column also, and later on I will tell you what's the use of this column. 1 minus sine square theta is equals to cos square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equals to secant square theta, and secant square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta. This will be used in the steps, and you have to substitute these values by this. So let us see this integral. You have to integrate this, and before starting this you have to recognize which is the expression. This expression is matching to which expression I have written over here. So this is root 16 plus x square, which is something similar to this, and here a is equals to 4. As you can see, 16 is equals to a square, that means a is equals to 4, or you can write it as dx x square plus 4 square, isn't it? Now you have to substitute this x is equals to a tan theta. So a will be x is equals to a is 4 tan theta. You have to remember this. Now when you will differentiate it, you will get dx is equals to 4 secant square theta. Now let us just put the values. It will be dx is equals to 4 secant square theta, and it is d theta by x you have to put as 4 tan theta, and you have to square it, so it will be 16 tan square theta. 4 square is 16, and under root. I am taking this 4 out of the integral, so it will be 4 secant square theta d theta. 16 is a common, so tan square theta plus 1. As I have said, you have to substitute this tan square theta plus 1 to the secant theta, secant square theta. Now when you will take this 16 out of the root, so it will be 4, and this will be tan square theta plus 1. So here it will be secant theta, and rest I am copying it as it is. Now I will cancel this 4 from this 4, and I will substitute this as secant theta. So it will be secant square theta by secant theta, and this you have to cancel one secant theta, so you will get secant theta. I hope now this integral is reduced to a very simple integral. Now you have to just put the formula. Now when you will integrate secant theta, you will get log secant theta plus tan theta. So the integral of secant theta is equals to log secant theta plus tan theta. Now you have to change this variable, that theta into the back to the original variable, and that is x. So you have to get the value of secant theta and tan theta. If you remember, we know that x is equals to 4 tan theta. We have substituted x as 4 tan theta. You can get the value of tan theta from over here, that is tan theta is equals to x to the power 4, which is, if this is a right triangle, it will be 4 and this will be x, and hypotenuse will be square of this sum and square of this, or you can say it will be 16. So from this right triangle, you can get the value of secant theta, which is x square plus 16 by 4. Now you have to just put the values, which is natural log sec. Now you just have to put the values, which is log secant theta is equals to x square plus 16 by 4, and tan theta is equals to tangent theta, that is x by 4. So this is the final answer of the integral dx under root 16 plus x square. I hope I'm clear, but if you get any confusion or you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, or the link of the Instagram is given below in the description. You can text me over there.